gym. I just have to run a few errands first, but I'm going to the gym, and then today we are going to the cottage. I really haven't vlogged that much this summer, and I feel really actually regretful. So this is the last real summer weekend at the cottage because next week school begins. Now I'm not going back to school, but it just feels like summer's over. Andrew and I are pretty much packed. He's doing a little bit of work at home. I'm heading to the gym, running some errands. I have my coffee in my keep cup, and then we'll come back home, finish getting ready. I'll probably take a shower and then head out. It's gonna be a beautiful weekend, and I think it's gonna be so much fun. I'm very much looking forward to it, but if I don't leave now, I'm not gonna be able to get everything done and get a workout in. And I gotta build these guns. There's nothing there. Okay, I'm just leaving the gym. I ended my session early. I was gonna film, but I have a splitting headache. It's like in the back of my head, but I got in a good sweat. I just need to go home, I think, and lie down for a minute, take a shower, and we gotta go. I just don't think I can get in a car and ride 3 hours with this headache the way that it is. But I definitely need to present myself better. Anyways, I gotta drive home before this gets too bad. I just took Tylenol. Hopefully that kicks in. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we are pretty much ready to go. I'm taking forever. I was not feeling well, so I had to lie down, take a shower, do my hair, even though it's a little bit damp. Andrew's taking everything out to the car, and we still have to go to the bank, get something to eat, and then hit the road. Huh? But, oh, are you coming with us? Walter, where are we going? Hey, are we going to the cottage? This whole summer, I feel like I've been so disorganized when it comes to going to the cottage. I packed like 3 days ago, and so I could clean up so we could come home to a crazy house, and I failed. And I wanted to even go to the post office to pick up a package, but that is also not going to happen. So It is what it is, but let the vacation, I didn't even pack a toothbrush. Oh my gosh, I just realized that. Here is my OOTD. I have this cute little cropped Adidas sweater that Andrew picked for me. And these are the Tesla leggings, the ones that I talk about that are $10 on Amazon. But these are a different material, and they have pockets on the side. It's my new favorite thing. Okay, anyways, we're ready. We're ready. Good. Long trip. Back in the car. These vlogs should just be called Car Talks with Laura-Lee. Hi, buddy. Okay, we're finally leaving. What's that? Let's go. Guys, Walter is the best travel dog ever because he literally gets in here and he goes to sleep. Are you tired? I woke you up. Are you tired? He will lie like this for a good 3 hours. He has always been such a good travel dog. You are on the open road. Only 3 more hours. At the cottage now. Walter's got his harness on and it feels and looks beautiful. It's a great temperature, not too hot, not too cold. It's a little bit wavy, but so nice. Walter, are we happy to be here? Are you happy to be here? Yeah. Beautiful. Good morning. I did not end the vlog yesterday. We ended up going for dinner. Hi, Wally. Hi, buddy. Walter, over here. We ended up going for dinner and grocery shopping, and then honestly we went to bed. And so this morning I got up and came over to my parents' cottage. We're staying at the other cottage just because there's more space. And yeah, so we just had breakfast. The water is really rough. There's a little boat out there. Lots of seaweed that has just, and weird foam. But this is beautiful. My hair looks a little bit crazy. My dad and I are gonna go into town and get stuff for a charcuterie tonight. Amy Lee and Aaron are coming. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm just drinking my coffee. I don't feel like we're gonna be swimming this weekend, which I'm a little bit bummed about. Nothing like a cup of coffee and the sea breeze or the lake breeze. There we go. How nice. How beautiful. I hope you can hear everything I said. It's really windy. If not, I'll fill you in later. Oh, but there's my little puppy! little harness is falling off. Oops. Oh, you're so cute. It's falling off you. Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Gotta fix that. I'm gonna get you. Ah! I'm gonna get you. Ah! Ah! That could have been fatal. You're crazy. You're crazy. Oh, careful. Oh, we're back and we got a ton of groceries for tonight's. We got a ton of groceries for tonight's charcuterie. So I'm going to start putting things away and then getting ready. Should be so fun. My hair looks a little crazy. I'm excited for charcuterie. The fridge is open. Charcuterie nights. Yeah, have an English muffin. Okay, I think I'm gonna sit down. I think I'm gonna sit down for a minute and then get started. Okay, here's the charcuterie before everyone digs in. So those are basil, mozzarella, tomato, that's bruschetta. Here is some stuffed olives, prosciutto, parmesan, crackers, meats, cheese, pickles. Yum, yum, yum.